Hey guys, my name's Kris. I'm going to show you my 1993 7-Up 5-liter. It's a 5-speed, real clean machine. You got your emerald green paint. You got your turbine style wheels. Don't smell like Marlboros in there. I smoke them outside, baby. Top is real clean. You got yourself a wing here because all the girls will be trying to pull away from you. Yeah, she's tight right here. You can put some luggage when you get kicked out of your wife's house. Dual exhaust. Paint is, I'd say like a 5 out of 10, shows real well. Doors open up as they should. Steering wheel's real nice, so 93 had a different steering wheel. You got yourself your 5-speed shifter there, T45, I believe. Little aftermarket radio. What's the mileage in there, Shorty?
117.
So 117,000 miles. Interior looks like it's been redone. Tires have about 60% tread. It has been repainted and you can see some touch-up areas, some minor imperfections, but hey, if you're looking for perfect, go somewhere else. I'm gonna pop the bald eagle area. Hold on a second here. All right, let's open up this thing. Zoom in on my tri. Show it, show it. There you go. So this is owned by a firefighter and you know, they like working out and wearing pit vipers and stuff. Engine bay is, it's right there, it looks good. Air conditioning's cold, top works. 5-liter, 225, bald eagles screaming out of those dual exhaust pipes. Got yourself a manual hood so you don't have to worry about struts going bad. Clutch is there, it works, but it does release a little high. Air conditioning works. You got yourself a K&N filter right here, so that's an upgrade from the OEM filter. You can see a little bit of overspray on the lights here, but this is a real nice piece. If you want to jump in and go cruise the coast, down Mississippi, Tennessee, North Carolina, you get yourself some hotties with this thing. I'm gonna start it up right now. Of course the battery's dead, it's a Ford. Give me a second here, let me get the jump box. Put that jump box right there. Oh, AC's working. Not yet. Compressor's got to kick on. Ooh, fires right up. Got yourself a Blackfoot radio here. It's not Bluetooth. They didn't go for the option. Air conditioning's blowing cold. Let me put this top down. Let my hair flow. Here we go, baby. Ooh, power top. Just like a power pole on a bass boat. Let me turn this air conditioner off. It does work. You can hear the shifter. E-brake's holding the car. Oh, it sounds good. America. All right. We're inside the cabin of the 93 Ford. Shifter right here, real nice condition. Air conditioner works as it should. Joel purchased this from an elderly man he actually rescued. Putting the windows down, all the power windows work. Mirrors work as they should. I'm doing the passenger mirror right now. Very nice idle. Okay. So the clutch release is real high. If you see, we're not even moving right now, so there's definitely a brake issue. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. I've never driven stick before. All right, we'll try. Oh, it's 171,000, man. Oh. All right, looking at the speedometer here, it shows 71,000, so it's actually 171,000 miles. Tack works, good voltage, letting that temperature rise a little bit. Gas gauge works. We've got great oil pressure, about 60 pounds. This works. There's some extra parts in here. Okay, e-brake's holding it. Some books in here, some documents. We got a trunk release. 25 years. American way. Red, white, and blue. Clutch release is a little high. We'll test and see if it slips, but I don't think so. I can't wait to let my mullet fly in the wind. I gotta get it set up right so it does it, you know, like. Oh, yeah, clutch release is pretty high. Let's put it in high gear and see if it slips. Yep, you need a new clutch here. So it is slipping a little bit, just to let you guys know. But hey, if you ain't slipping, y'all be tripping. All right, so we're gonna take it out on Ravenswood here. Release is real high up in the range, but it is holding. Feels good. Lets you know that there is a driver's airbag on this vehicle. I'm gonna keep that right here. We've been cruising for a couple minutes now. I'm just gonna show you the back seat. Back seat's real nice. Got yourself a little ashtray here for little Jimmy in case he wants to light a Lucky. Light's turning green. We're on Marina Mile here. Got to be real careful with this clutch. Smooth shifting. Tranny feels good. We're going at 60 miles an hour right now. Actually feels really nice, and it is peppy. Oh, it's going to definitely need a clutch soon. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this ride, we just try to be as honest as possible and make sure we keep Americans safe. We're gonna get some outside shots right now on our closed course. If you guys have any questions about this ride, obviously I'm joking around. My name's not Kris, but I do have a cool mullet right now. We'll be able to help you out. We're just doing an honest review on it, and we wanted to put some flair in it, and we hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261 on the bicycle.